You may have noticed that Cricut has removed, at least for today, some of the cut settings that we've been using for a while to cut stickers and probably other things. So I want to show you quickly how you can recreate or create a custom setting. So I've got my stickers all ready to print then cut. I would go to Make and then Continue. I'm going to click I've already printed. So let's pretend that I've just printed those out. Now you may have seen here that I've got some blue lined settings. They are the Cricut settings that are already in here, and then any with a grey line are the ones that I've added. And this one here that I've just re-added today says Printable Sticker Paper Clear No Liner. That was always been my go-to cut setting to kiss cut with my Joy Xtra. So to recreate that setting, or if you want to create a brand new custom cut setting, you would just go to Browse All Materials and then click Material Settings, and then scroll all the way to the bottom and click Add New Material. Now you'll give that a name. So I'm just going to put New Kiss Cut Setting. I've probably got so many different test settings called that now, but we'll find it. And then save. But now scroll up. And this is where you can change the pressure, so less pressure will cut less deeply, more pressure will cut more deeply. For kiss cutting stickers, I'm using that previous setting, the Printable Sticker Paper Clear No Liner one, that had a cut pressure of 110, so I'm going to change it to 110. If you are recreating a different setting that you maybe used previously, you can change this, but I'm just showing you this example. I'll leave this to off. That means that Cricut will only cut around once and the fine point blade stays there. But then remember to click Save and remember the name that you just gave that setting. Okay, let's click away. We can't see it here yet, but if you click Browse All Materials, you can then scroll down to My Materials, and this is the one that I just added. If you want, you can bookmark it. And then if I just click Done, any that you've bookmarked will be here, and then you can continue changing the pressure. I used to go with less, so that's what I would do again. And that's how you either recreate a setting. Remember, you can only do this if you've already written down what those settings were, or you can create a new custom setting anytime, because not all of the Cricut ones that are already in here work for us. And if you would like my help with designing, printing and cutting stickers in either Cricut, Silhouette or Canva, you are so welcome to join us in Secret Sticker Society. Just go to mimjenkinson.com/SSS. And I hope that this video helped. Make sure to follow along with my channel for more Cricut sticker making ideas, inspo and updates in the future.